today's property investment tip is about the power of legally paying little or no income tax through a technique called the Rollin technique. So welcome to Unlocking the Secrets of a Property Investment, the YouTube series. My name is Dreyer. I'm the founder of the Wealth Creators Method, where we help entrepreneurs and investors to create, to grow, and to protect, as well as to enjoy their wealth by applying the Wealth Creator strategy. Now, I've been investing in property for over 40 years, and I'm here to help you to achieve your financial goals through property investment. Today, I want to talk to you about the power of legally paying little or no income tax through a technique called the Rollin technique. Now, this may sound perhaps too good to be true, but trust me, it's a real thing, and it's something that I think can change your life forever. Many people think that property investment is all about buying a property and then waiting for the value to go up. But that's not the whole story. Property investments is about so much more than that. It is about using the income generated by the properties to fund your future investments, and it's also about minimizing your tax liability. Now, the Rollin technique is a legal way to do just that. It works by offsetting the positive cash flow of one investment property against another investment property that has got a negative cash flow. This creates a balance without the tax liability, while still ensuring a massive or a huge capital growth on condition that, of course, you apply the Wealth Creator strategy. So the Rollin strategy gives you, I would say, an unfair advantage over other classes of investment, yet most people don't know about this. It allows you to leverage the income of your property to achieve your financial goals, while at the same time also minimizing your tax liability. And the best part of all of this is it's entirely illegal. But like any investments, there are some disadvantages to consider. So one of the main disadvantages is that if you get the tax aspect of any deal wrong, it could cost you a fortune. For example, if you buy property in a company and that property's got a negative cash flow, then you cannot deduct that loss against other income because it's in a different entity. This may have severe negative cash flow as well as tax implications for you. Well, you cannot deduct the loss from your personal income. The loss will accumulate within that entity, let's call it the company that you bought that property. And secondly, you will have to pay the negative cash flow, because it has to come from somewhere, but that cash flow is with after-tax money. In other words, you will subsidize that loss with money on which you've already paid tax. That's why it's important to do your research and to get the right advice from people that actually investing in property. So make sure that you understand the tax implication of any investment and that you're making smart financial decisions. Now, let me give you some examples of how the Rollin technique has worked for other South African property investors. Let's take case study number 1. John is a property investor who owns 2 properties in Johannesburg. One of the properties generates a positive cash flow of 10,000 Rand per month, while the other property generates a negative cash flow of 12,000 per month. So you can see that on the one he's making money, on the other one he's losing money. So by using the Rollin technique, because it's in the same entity, John is able to offset the cash flow of the first property against the negative cash flow of the second property, resulting in a tax liability of 0. In fact, there's a negative 2,000 Rand that's going to be accumulated within that entity. Perhaps another case study. Sarah is a property investor who has got 3 properties in Cape Town. On the one property, she generates a positive cash flow of 15,000 Rand per month, while the other 2 properties generate a negative cash flow of 10,000 and 8,000 Rand per month. In other words, 18,000 Rand negative per month. In other words, buying it in the right entity, Sarah is able to offset the positive cash flow of the first property against the negative cash flow of the other 2 properties, and therefore resulting in a tax liability of 0. So as you can see from these 2 case studies, the Rollin technique is really a powerful tool for South African property investors to legally pay little or no income tax while still achieve huge capital growth, of course, on condition that they follow the Wealth Creators method. But remember, as with any investment, it's important to do your research and seek professional advice before you actually buy those properties. So make sure that you understand the tax implication of any investment and that you're making smart financial decisions. Now, if you're ready to take your property investments to the next level, I want to invite you to join me for an exclusive property masterclass where I'll be sharing the strategies and the blueprint on how I'm currently turning just 100 Rand in total into a property portfolio worth more than 10 million Rand here in South Africa in less than 5 years by simply applying the wealth creator strategy. This masterclass is an opportunity to learn directly from me and my team and to gain access to the knowledge and the tools you'll need in order to succeed. So whatever you do, don't miss out. Sign up for the masterclass now on the link in the description area, or you'll find the link at least on somewhere on this page. And also, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to hit the bell icon if you want more tips on our Unlocking the Secrets of Property Investment, this YouTube series. We'll be sharing even more valuable insights and strategies on how to make the most out of your property investment. And of course, feel free to leave a question in the comment. I'd love to hear from you and to use maybe that feedback in order to make more videos like this. And remember the power of legally paying little or no income tax. That power, my friend, is in your hands. So go out there and make it happen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.